Feel like I'm back.
Come on, show me your glove now. Show me your glove. Show me your glove. Yeah, there we go. Close up of that glove. Look at that. Is that legal? This is the Lonigan invitation. That's legal. Okay. Everybody ready?
Submitted for your approval.
This is it. This is the Eastern boys against the white team. I guess it's Northwest. Gotta find out here. First period. Just starting out here. Cambria out in front. There's a loose puck. It's Cambria. What's going on? Easton putting early pressure on. There's Cambria hustling down there. He knows the camera's on him. It's his middle name, Cambria. Hey, there's Dougie. Dougie Gecko. Gecko and Hyde. Farmer takes it over to Boomer. Gives it to Cambria. Cambria with a big shot. Stopped by the Northwest goaltender. Good stop on a big blast. 50 to go. First period just starting. Early pressure by Easton. Good goal. Face off in the Northwest zone. Back to the point. Martin. Shot tipped out of there. There he is. Mr. October. Okay, play it center ice, Dougie Gecko with it. No hit for Farmer. Farmer can't control it. Goes Northwest. Over the blue line. Goes wide. Centers it back. Got by Cambria. Not Cambria. Northwest controls on their own blue line. Throws it ahead, broken up by Dougie again. Dougie throws it up. Brad Farmer splits 5 guys. Can't do anything with it. And behind the Eastern net. Bobby Sutton. Bobby got a nice new jersey. He had a nice old jersey, but I took it back. Oh, right there. Northwest with the puck at their own blue line. Up to the red line. All right. It's in the center. Coming over the Eastern line. Broken up by... Who's that guy? Northwest. You ready for that? Jeff Pallad. Nice board, big chance. What's he doing? Ooh. Drop it right back in. There's Jeff up front. He's looking. Jeff steals the puck. It's Chopper, the Russian, trying to defect. Right behind the Northwest goal, on back of the net. Nothing on nothing. 7:50, first period. Face off down to the right of the Northwest goaltender. This is the second annual Lonergan Invitational Hockey Tournament. The Slight. First one was the light contest. Comes Northwest. Chopper, welcome up. It's the semi back on the ice. Who's he playing for? Back of the eastern net. Alfonso. Over to Tommy. Tommy throws it up the right side. Shot in just wide. Oh, there's Jeff trying to center a pass. No one there to collect it. Northwest. Big blast up by Sutton. Nothing gets by that mattress. So the WBCN got their theme. Big mattress. Bobby Sutton. We'll take a break here. 6:40 to go, first period. Nothing. Call him the Czechoslovakian. He's another defector. He's not playing. All right, can't do anything with it. Mr. October. Keeps it up. Here's Jeff. Weaving and scores. Nice goal, Jeff. Nice goal, buddy. Puts Easton out in front. First period, 1-0. 1-0, 6:04. Jeff on the face-off, kicks it ahead. There's Jeff over the blue line, stick handling. He's moving. Oh, just broken up. Up by Tommy. Comes out west, over the eastern blue line, off to the right. Moving in on Sutton. Oh, just threw that to the goal piece. Tommy, centered the pass. Oh. Stand out in front. Oh! Just tied up. Just tied up. Good chance there. You're traveling through another dimension. A dimension not only of sight and sound, but of mind. A wondrous journey whose boundaries are that of the imagination. There's the signpost up ahead. The Larson Rink. Submitted for your approval. The second Lonergan Invitational Hockey Tournament, otherwise known as the Slight Tournament. Yeah, thanks, Rod. Okay, here comes Cambria. He can fly. He missed on that one. Northwest, right back. There's lovely Lou. Remember Lou Hanson? There he is. The bus is parked out front. He's going in. Fourth corner. Down behind the net, picks up the puck. Yeah, here comes Northwest. 2-on-2. Saved by Sutton. Tip. And another goal. Northwest comes right back. Ties it up. 1-1. Smooth. You got one? We get 3 cases now. All I want's a few cans, but I don't need 3 cases. Okay. Sutton leaves it for the Fonzo. Fonzo looking. The Cronin can't handle the pass. Cambria picks it up. Oh. Boy, Mark. Did I get it? Look at this kid.
The
I'm going to
lens
shut the
cap
camera.
was on. As soon as I saw you cross the blue line, I put the lens cap on.
2-1. Cambria puts them up by 1. 4:18. First period. Lovely Larson ring. Beautiful day for hockey. Face off. Center ice. Back the chop. Oh, say hello. He's supervising now. He's wearing a tie. Play it down here.
Who is it?
Can't make it out from here.
Bryant?
Yeah. $8 a second year and $7 a third year. Yeah. Something like. No, that's the mechanic. Didn't say the other. They want to. Oh, the new
2-1. 3:56. Play it down. There's the CEO out there with the red pants on. I think red fits Billy. Oh, rocking and a rolling up here. Shaking in a... I don't know what the problem is. Look at that man down there. He'll bring back a report for us. He's up. Referee right down there, helping him out. He's gonna leave. You probably heard the beer was here. He's out there for 3. Wait a minute, we got someone over there. There he is.
Billy, what'd you say you wanted? What do you wanted? What did you want when you left? Say to me.
Okay, we're gonna go right back there.
He got last week. You know how he is. Yeah. He goes flying in the corner head first.
There's our report in the background. Oh, that's good. Gotta get it somewhere, right? So like running paid off, okay? Oh, wait. Wish I had a roster here. Who that guy? Yeah, there's Tommy. Pass broken up, going back in the corner. Northwest shifting. They're down 2-1. There's Plord with it. Gonna go behind his own net.
Billy! Come here.
Where are we? Doing the best I can.
What?
Okay, Cronin flips it off. Okay, play on. Nobody told me who. This is Northwest? Okay. I don't even know how it's going here. Okay, Dougie keeps it in. Look at the other Cambria out front. Can't do anything with it. Back they come. Saved by Sutton. Sutton saves it. Up by Cambria. Loose puck. Right to hit corner with it.
Corner with a nice tap. Here comes Cambria. Cambria bearing in. Shot just wide.
Cambria back and hold in front. Rolling. There he is. There he is. Joe, how do you feel? Talk about the last year. That might be the last shift. All right, Cronin's going to take the face off. The big guy. Working it through in. Northwest has the center. Knocked away by Cronin. To Cambria. Cambria looking for his brother. Quite the killer bees out there. Cambria. Cronin. Can't make the pass. Cronin. Martin back on the line. I got two on there. Jeez, everybody's worried. No, they don't know you about that. Okay, there's Cronin. He's looking. Cambria on the left. There goes Mac. What if Cambria to get it? Northwest. On the back of the Eastern goal. Pardon me while I adjust my microphone. There it is. Oh! 3-2. 3-2 Eastern. 4 seconds left to go. First period. We're live. On location. This time. There's the Russian. He's a defector. He wears a tie. Okay, back in the Eastern zone. The end of period number 1 with Eastern Boston leading Northwest 3-2. Take it to the bridge, see if we can swim. There's our lovely timekeepers. Ah! I can only get them both to do that. It's the boys. Hi, kill me. Okay, we're back. We are back for the second period. It's the second period. Easton off to the left. Okay, fell down. No blue line or anything. Here's Capistrano. The shot. Kicked away. Rebound. Right back at him. Behind the net. Jeff with the puck. Puts it out front. Just tipped wide. Comes Northwest. Out of their own zone. To the corner. Sutton's right. Behind the net. Back to the point. There's the shot. Long shot. Gets in there. There it is. Bounced off the side of the net. Come on, guys. Let's go. Walking up the red line. There's Chopper. Ref's got his arm up. What's that for? go into the northwest zone behind the net. Nice shift. Puts it up. Here they come down the left wing. He's moving. Shift to the center. Can't do it. Broken up. He's pulled with the puck. Throws it up. Nice. Picked up by Northwest. Northwest. He's in trouble with that blue line. There he goes.
Pumps it in.
Sutton looking. There we go. There's Jeff. Over to Capistrano. Capistrano. Can't do anything with it. Takes it to the corner. Tries to put it back. Can't do it. Alfonso with the puck behind his own net. Lost it to Northwest. Northwest just can't keep it in. Here comes Charlie Cambria. He's all alone. Got a good shot here. What a stop by the goaltender. No rebound. Nobody with him. He did it all himself. Charlie looking again. Northwest brings it right back out. At 2. 2 on 2. 3 on 2. Cambria with the puck. Broken up. It's Dougie. Puts it up to Farmer. Farmer with the puck. He's looking. He brings it over the line. Just shovels it out front. Flipped away. Kept in by Martin. Broken up by Northwest. Here comes Northwest. 1-on-1. Martin trying to get back. 2-on-1. Here's the shot. Saved by Sutton. Hope I got that one. There's Dougie looking for Cambria. Cambria. He's all alone. Goaltender out of the net. Can't do anything with it. Comes the puck. There it is. Ooh, who's got it? Northwest. I tell you. Northwest. They get no respect. Saved by Sutton. What a stop. Heads came across flying. The action was non-stop. There's Cambria. Cambria. Charlie knocks people away. He still got it. He still puts the puck out. Here comes Northwest. Northwest with the puck. He's bearing down. He lost it on the dribble. Northwest picks it up. Shot in on Sutton. Stop it. Mr. Sutton. Listen to this one. Go ahead. Go ahead, Bob. Listen. The great Oz is thinking. Cambria can't keep it in the zone. Northwest with it. He's looking. Cambria steals it again. There comes Cambria. You can't miss that yellow jersey.
Who was it? This guy right here. Him. Look at those feet. Right there. Right there. What do you think? You call it, folks.
It's a scab call. Cambria, he's after that puck. He's flying. Charlie. Chases Northwest in the corner. Here's the semi. No, the whole team. He flips it out. That's remarkable. What a job he does. People get out of his way. There's Cambria. Am I saying your name enough? Cambria. There's Tommy. He's got it into the zone. There's Mark. Flips it right in there. Comes Northwest. Northwest into the eastern zone. Stefanzo will pick it up. Try to pick it up. Bobby, get up, Bobby. It's Cambria. Cambria. What a stop right Sutton. Northwest keeps it in. Takes a long shot on Sutton. Makes the stop.
Nice shot, Alex.
Atta boy, Bobby. 6:44 to go. 3-2 Boston.
How we doing out there? What you got?
Kitty, 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 kitty. You are now a bagel. Oh, sure. Blame it on the guy in the blue dress. The old Alfer. He was in Indiana. This guy. Okay, here comes this Capistrano guy. The Jeff tried to buzz me. Can't do anything with it. Capistrano tries to keep it in. Can't do it. The sunrise doesn't pick it up. Can't play that ref is out there. He must have taken ballet lessons. So much for the ballet lessons. Okay, keep trying to ice. I'm trying to set up Capistrano. What? 5:30. Second period. 3-2 Boston. What's he looking for? Is he looking for a puck? I'll get him up. Northwest dumps it into the Boston zone. Sutton stops it behind his net. Larry Martin picks it up. That's out. That was, in my opinion. I could be totally wrong. Here comes Northwest. Back in on Sutton. Behind the net. Northwest ties it up. 3-3. Northwest. We're gonna keep it going. We're gonna keep it going. Too much action. There's Maurice. There's Murray. You should have seen him before charm school. The little old sausage maker. Lord tried to stop it up. They throw it right back into Northwest. Cut, saved by Sutton. Whoa, what a stop by Sutton. He's flying. What a stop. Bobby Sutton. There he is. Nice stop. The big mattress. Return of the big mattress. Let me get a coffee here. It's coffee time. Strictly for medicinal purposes, you know, the vocal cords. Plays on down there. The killer bees. Killer bees are out there. M. Cambria and his little brother, C. Cambria. Northwest. The puck. Cambria in the corner. Who's helping out there? Who's that guy behind the mask? Cambria looking for his brother. Looks it go by. Farmer chasing the puck. Northwest with it. There it is, boys. What are you going to do with it? Cambria picks it up. Come on, Charlie. Go for that puck. Northwest behind his own goal. Right up to center. Oh. Going to fall right off the stage. Tried to put it in front. Couldn't do it. Broken up by the defense. This Farmer flips it up. Can't get it out. Northwest picks it up. Here comes Farmer. Get the rebound. Farmer up the left side. He's got Cambria coming through the center. Stops, cuts. Dumped. Cambria with the puck. He's got his brother up front. They're all over the place. There's too many of them. This should have been the Cambria team. Never mind, East. There it is. On the stick of Mark Cambria. Oh. Ah! I kill me. It's his brother. That wasn't offsides, was it? Chopper takes a swing at it. Can't do it. He picks it up on the other side. Here comes Northwest. They're going the wrong way. Kicks it through center to the semi. Semi weaving. Alfonso pulls it out. Center ice. Back Campbell. Mark Campbell dogging him. Northwest. Goes up the left side. Right back into the northwest zone. The northwest zone. Behind the goal. Northwest. Cambria picks it up. Cambria. Up in front, saved by the goaltender. What a stop. Ron Farmer had an excellent chance there. Right back comes Northwest. Farmer, decked. Joe Matto. That's who the guy behind the mask is. I've got him. Joe Matto. Atta boy, Joe. Crewman gets bumped. Tommy. Looking. What can he do with it? Gets it in the floor. Floors at the shot. Stopped by the goaltender. Nice blast. Okay, Northwest gains control. Oh. Another shot. Farmer. Big mattress. Just out of the reach of Cronin. Down it goes. Louie, good to see you. Take it easy. See you later, Val. All right, Boyd picks it up. Northwest zone. Northwest line. Always look at who you're talking to. That's the end of the period. Okay. Say okay. There's Cronin. How's he looking over there?
How's his thinking? Is he better than Charlie?
He hit the post.
I do the same thing I did Sunday night. I got the lane on the side. As soon as I see it,
Let's go back and see what the timekeepers are doing. Doing a magnificent job over there. Oh, Leo, smile for the camera, Leo. Wait a minute. Okay, Leo. Okay.
Well, I think.
Talk about filling the lens.
Play the next game. Yeah, but you'll have the same record as the other team, but they'll have played already 2 games. And you deserve. Yeah, but you deserve to play in the 2 games, right?
This looks interesting.
They will have played 3 games.
You have to play 2 more games.
You know what I'm saying there? You guys only played 1. They've already played 2. If you have the same record, they've already played 2. It's our second game, so they'll have played 3 games. The only other way is maybe flip for it, or go by the most goals.
Flip for it. Talent. He's unbelievable. Talent.
What do you think?
What do you think?
It would be fair. Yeah, no.
The CEO will flip for it. Well, what do you think?
I don't know. You'll have the same record as you.
Let's not count our chickens before they hatch.
How do you think it should go? Both teams have the same record, but one team's played 2 games.
Let's give him a case of beer. That's good, Larry. Scully says this is the 3rd period. You won't believe Billy. Nice pass. Nice stop. Sutton looking good. Looking sharp. Northwest tries to center it. Blocked. There's Larry. What do you think about Larry? You think he looks good in red? Fashion consultant in the booth. Lord, bust him down the left side. Stops. Just kicked out. Northwest. Boy, they fly low around here. Nope. There we go. Tommy tries to flip up the board. Back in the Northwest zone. Good on the left side. Tries to get it across, broken up by Northwest. Here they come. Larry's there. Mr. Dependable. I used to like to play with Larry. On the ice. He's a good defenseman. Still is. Tommy trying to set up the plug. Just can't get it. Cronin. There it is, all the way down the ice. Puck. Did you ever wonder why they call it a puck? I mean, why do they call it a puck? Look it up. Any dictionary and they'll tell you it's a vulcanized piece of rubber. Just what is a vulcanized piece of rubber? I mean, did Mr. Spock have anything to do with this? What does vulcanized mean? I should look that one up. This is Andy Looney.
Oh, this is Cambria. Cambria, right in. Couldn't quite get it.
Chopper, he's struggling to come back.
Northwest be buzzing. They're buzzing. Up to the point. It's a blast. This gets by. Cambria.
I'm staging. I'm going to fall through the staging. I know I am.
Hey, keep that puck out of here.
It's Farmer.
Right across, Cambria. Just missed. Come on, boys. Up to the front. Up the stronger, keeps it in. Put it back in. Here's the semi. The guy can move.
But can he stop? Ah!
There it is, Northwest, 2-on-1.
Sutton down. Sutton.
Try to get it. In the corner, Cambria plays it to the middle. Set by Sutton. Sutton standing tall. Nice stop. Northwest with the puck. Who's got it? Farmer's got it.
The Almanac.
Give him to Cambria. Cambria puts it in the corner to the other Cambria. Cambria with a full pivot. Tips it back in front. Just missed it. What a good play that was. The give and go. The full pivot. The give and go. Northwest is there to keep it in the Boston corner. Oh, just rolled through the crease. He's got his brother, Charlie. Nice. Not with the puck. He's looking. There's Northwest over the Boston blue line. He's going wide. Cronin. Drops it right back. Plug puts it in. Yeah. Good one. they are. Cronin, Claude, front line, Capistrano, Dougie and Larry, and the backstop. Sutton. Sutton. Okay, 7:06 to go. Third period. Claude with the puck, center ice. The big blast go. Not much on that one. Cronin is pumped. Capistrano tries it. Matt trying to keep it in there. Matt does keep it in. Centers it. Picked up by Northwest. Here comes Northwest. They're down by a goal. On the left side. Northwest with it. Northwest working. Takes the shot. Ooh, just whistle that one low to the outside. 6:37 to go. Third period. 4-3 Boston. Cambria made a prediction in this game. Whoa. It looked like a little trip. Cambria made a prediction. They said that they were going to win this one. Got a free man at the point. Boy, nice pass. Nice pass back to Mike. Oh. Corner, in the corner. They're buzzing. They look like the auto lights out there. Oh, I feel good. Boy, nice. Northwest just dumps it out. We'll get an icing call. There's time left in regulation. We'll go to overtime if there's a need for it. Look, another fan, another straggler off the street. It's Lou Hansen, retired Eastern employee. Okay, play on, Northwest Zone. This is second period. What's the fifth period? Drop it, all right, Bob. Cambria with the puck. He's pedaling off to his brother. Northwest Zone. Time with the puck, he's looking. Takes the shot. Pumps it in wide. Charlie Cambria takes a little bump. Back. Northwest behind it. Here they come. Down by a goal. 4-on-3. Off on the right. Takes the shot, broken up by Farmer. There's the Russian. Chopper. Charlie. Chopper Charlie. Cambria just took it off the stick of that Northwest player. We got a whistle. It's cold in here. Who else we got down here? Oh, it's cold. Blue's over there staying warm in the timekeeper's booth, drinking beer, socializing. Where is he? Where is he? There he is. Look at him. Sure. Leave me up here on this faulty stage in the fall through and freeze. Yeah, you're over there making time. There's the semi. Covers a lot of ground. Heads it up. The dancing bear. Northwest in the eastern corner. Bobby takes it away. Bobby looking for light. Can't do anything with it. Bobby does. He gets it back. Tried to get it to Matt. Couldn't do it. Oh, score. Oh, I hope I got that. There he is. He got the goal. Ties it back up. 4:16 to go. It's all tied up. We're tied up 4-4. There's Murray. What a shot he's got. What a player. Oh, he isn't. Robbie Bauer. Linesman.
Alright, what's going on over here?
Is the ref trying to get a date too? Hey, the game, ref, the game. It's all tied up, 4-4. Just about 4 minutes to go, third period. Picked up by Capistrano. Oh, just didn't get enough on that. Capistrano again. That's out. Take a short break here. Need more coffee. Gold. Face off to the right of the Northwest goal. Claude can't go it. Comes from Northwest. Northwest through the center. Oh, he skipped a beat on that one. Northwest. He's weaving with it. Northwest into off the right to Sutton. Northwest centers it. Oh, Easton. Flat-footed here. Flat-footed. From the point. Takes the shot. Capistrano. Looking for help. Here comes Claude to the center. Claude can fly. There's Claude. Got a good shot. Good chance. Oh! Just wide. Just missed the far corner. Back in the center of Capistrano. Takes the shot. Tipped by Claude. Oh, Claude, what an eye on that guy. Oh, wait a minute. Get a whistle. Get a whistle. There's no whistle. I don't swallow this stuff. Swallow. Speaking of swallow, this Capistrano. Woo. Players down. Northwest. West. Pumps it in. Lucky Gecko going for it. Lucky Gecko going for it. There's Martin. Martin will pick it up. He'll try it. He stops. He loses it. Oh! Just tipped. Deflected. Almost. Sutton with the skate. Oh, Sutton! Oh! Northwest. Northwest with 2:30 to go. It's pulled out. Pulled ahead. Well, Amadeus, you gonna score or what? You're the one that made the prediction. Come on. Make a liar out of you. It's like all business now. Billy just dropped off 10 pucks for him. Here we go. Amadeus. Charlie drops at the final. Final looks. Takes his time. Good play. Shot in. Comes Northwest. Defonso. Cambio tried to get a piece of it. Oh, oh, Sutton sprawling. Oh, get up, Bobby. Oh, Bobby. I gotta tell you, he gets no respect. Saved by Sutton. There's Sutton. He's back. Uh-oh. This chopper. He's fighting him off. Oh, he spilled. No call. Bobby's looking for a call. Joe Matto. Joe Matto. He'll get it out. Oh. What you gotta do. Here comes Campbell. Not can go with the puck. By 6 guys. Lost it on the dribble. Here comes Northwest. This guy is flying. He's been flying all the game. Somebody's it in on Sutton. Sutton dumps it behind the net. Northwest pokes it the other way. Northwest. Claude back there. Claude back there. Cambria comes out with it. Cambria along the right side. He's got his brother streaking through the center. Here comes Charlie. Mark has to cut back. Ooh, Charlie just got backhand off. Save again. Bodies are flying. Oh. I gotta tell you. I gotta tell you, I get no respect. Okay, this is it. 35 seconds to go, 5-4. Here comes Sutton. Sutton's out of the goal. It's getting too much for me. Bobby's gonna take a break. Not a good stops there, Bob. Get them in some water. Get him some coffee. Ah! It's Cambria. Shot. Blocked. 30 seconds left to go. Martin with the puck. Up to Cambria. Cambria. He's gonna try. He's gonna take the shot. Oh, just missed the right side, the short side. Off the side of the net. That'll do it. 17 seconds left to go. "17 seconds left to go. 6-4. Northwest. Amadeus, Amadeus. Amadeus, Amadeus. Trust me, I know what I'm doing. It's not whether you win or lose, it's how you play the game. I'll kill him. 16 seconds, Sutton. Back in the goal. Floyd picks it up. Floyd never knows when to stop. He's a working fool. He's a working fool. Northwest, one final shot. Sutton makes a good start. 3, 2, 1. Amadeus, Amadeus. Amadeus, Amadeus. Well, the guys played a good game. Good game, guys. Good game, guys. There goes Wally, the return of Wally. Wally. Thanks for the puck. I needed that. Alright. Got one more game to go here, folks. I'm gonna take it for a quick spin around the ring. Okay, we're back. Some of the best ice I've ever seen down here. Wally does a fine job. Look at that ice. What do you think of that ice? This ice being slippery. Where's the defector? Where is he? Stevie Whalen. Joe. Throwing it. Stevie Whalen. There's Jeff. Couple of goals. We'll talk to Joe, see what's going on here. What happened, Joe? I don't know. This isn't happening. Time for coffee break, folks. We'll catch you at the next game.